Dude, like, yo.
Hold on tight right there. Lift him up. Lift him up. Yeah. That's good. Okay.
Yeah,
No, you gotta hold on tight. Engage your abs and core. Yeah, balance. Okay. Yeah, hold that. Better hold that. Hold that right there. That's good. Okay.
The cart is not balanced.
Is that balance?
No. Can you put a bag or something on?
Yeah, sure. Put your bag right there. Okay. See if you can hold that.
I'm okay. Yes.
Yes?
Can you put something, maybe another bag?
Yes. Hang on. I got. Yeah. Like this. Here, I'm gonna throw that. Okay. Is that better? Is that better?
Yeah, that's much better.
Okay. So now, tighten those abs. Get ready, because you're going to let go. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Ready? Are your abs burning yet?
Oh my God, this is.
Okay. Get ready. Get ready. Here we go. On the count of 3, you're going to let go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God.
Yes. Oh, that's perfect. Yes. Yes. How long can you hold that?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. We're going to make it even better. You ready for this? You're going to take the card away. Okay? We're going to count to 3. We're going to try something. Just on the count of 3, just try to lift your legs up. You got it. You got it. Here we go. Ready? 1. Oh my goodness. 2. Take that back card away. 3. Go. Whoa. Try and kick your feet. Kick your feet. See what happens. Oh my goodness. They're honking at you.
Oh my God.
You're moving.
This is awesome.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. Kick faster. Move faster.
Faster.
That's amazing. How are you doing this? Let's go in the store. Come, turn it. Come in the store. That is crazy. Oh, here it comes. That is incredible. Oh my gosh. Do you know how he's doing that?
I think that. I don't know.
Have you seen that? Wow. Oh my goodness, that is incredible. Are you seeing that? Okay, do you know how he did that?
Oh my God! Oh my God! No, wait!